Stan and Joey. They're mowing through the Mako hatches. This we find all the time. This is poor lamination due to terrible prep in the factory. If you see this area is glossy. So basically they laid this hatch up. You can even see it was a hot layup, right? They laid this hatch up, came back the next day, and literally just took plywood, put plywood, and then glassed right on top of it. Never roughening up the laminate prior to gluing it. So this thing's basically had a void here since the very day it came out of the factory.
This is an air hammer. By itself, not much. But put it in the hands of a high-performing professional, and it's a dangerous deed.
Joe and Stanley have started core removal. We say the rotted core removal on our 25 Mako project. We'd like to try to get rid of the core without damaging the outside skin, and we'll reuse that outside skin. Sometimes we can if the laminate is junk, but in this case the laminate looks like it'll be fine. We'll be able to dry it out with the infrared. These are the hatch skins for the deck hatches on the Mako. Yesterday we gutted them with all the rotted plywood. Today the guys are sanding the inside laminate to roughen it up. And we'll basically use these old skins to make our new hatches. Where we have a layer of mat, a layer of 1708. Then our core material, which is 7-pound density core. Now 1, 2, 3 layers of 1708. This we used with a different core. Again, a layer of mat, layer 1708 underneath. Then our core, 2 layers of 1708. We're beginning to infuse the hatches to our Mako project. Shut these things down. This is what they look like when I take them out of the bag. You can see the new core, and you can see the holes in the core. So the resin actually carries from the new fiberglass through the core into the new fiberglass up against the original shell. And this is what a laminated vacuum infused part looks like from underneath.